Yep.
See, right now we're gonna cut the leaves, okay?
Yep, just like that.
Then we'll just go find more.
Huh? Yeah, and you can go ahead and cut like the rest of these down, and we're just gonna put all of them into the wheelbarrow.
Alright, so cut the leaves. See,
So you can cut as much as you want to make yourself room, because all of it's got to come off anyways.
cut it off. So I can just cut it out.
Yeah.
Cut right there, you see? Cut the line. Very good. This is a family project.
So it's been a month or so. It's been more than a month. I have to go back and look at the video. Since we harvested the first half. The first row was good, second row was a little small, so we decided to let these last two go a little bit longer. And these are the Asian variety, the purple kind. We got them from the local store. Yeah, right above the soil. Yep, cut it right above the soil.
We are teaching our children how to cut the sweet potato vines. Yes. Why don't we come this way? Look, baby, there's some more over here. You want to cut it from over here.
Yep, so you see where that goes into the... Yeah, you can cut there.
Perfect.
You see where it goes into the soil? You're going to cut just above. And you can leave a little bit above. Yeah, I would leave a little bit up, so that way we can kind of tell where it's at and we know where to start digging.
Oh, that was a good one. There you go. Good job, you guys.
Started to get some long grass in here.
Good job, girl. See? Just be careful because those big vines are growing here, okay? Got it? Okay.
Daddy, do I cut the purple thing?
Yeah, I think that's like
Now you have
the
gloves.
beginning of a sweet potato.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are actually the vines that grew from the first rows that we already harvested.
There you go.
I guess there's leftover bits.
Careful and then cut it over here. There you go. Here, take that.
Alright, so we're going to work on this for a little bit and get it all cleared out. If we're too rough with them, and like if you just try to rip them out of the ground and pull on them, it could damage the sweet potatoes. So we want to very almost like they're fossils. We're going to very carefully move the soil away.
Like this?
Yeah, very gently. We're
Very gentle.
gonna move the soil away. You look, see that one right there? So see, you don't want to pull it out. I know it's tempting. You just want to move, slowly dig out the soil around it.
This side, so this could be your side.
I know. So let's keep. You gotta be careful. So we're gonna keep digging. You're just gonna move the soil away.
Oh, move faster, go faster, go faster.
And then look at that.
Oh, look at you guys.
Yeah, so you can start digging where the lines are.
Are you gentle, okay? I don't have gloves, you guys, so you guys are gonna be the diggers.
Don't let that bug. Scared.
Here's another one. Look at this. You wanna dig over here?
Yeah. Dude, how far does one go?
Oh, they go down deep. Some of them might be really big. We let them go for a couple more months.
Found the end.
You sure?
Maybe.
You gotta dig all of the dirt around it.
Twice. I can't find one.
Because that also might be attached to other ones too.
Ooh, I see one. Might dig it out.
And here's the scissors in case you need to cut it.
I cut one.
Yep. You gotta dig deep.
You want to dig it now?
Huh? Oh yeah, where are we gonna put all these?
I was gonna go find a bucket or something.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
that's a good
How
one.
am I gonna look, you guys?
I ripped it on accident.
These are very purple.
Let me put it on the table.
Daddy, I don't think there was any more.
I don't know. There's definitely there's definitely stuff down there.
Oh my god.
No. Don't break it off. Remember, we're being very careful. We're moving the ground around it.
What if he just
But yeah, there's definitely more potatoes down there.
Ooh. This one is longy long. I'm gonna cut it.
Just be very gentle, okay?
I feel more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
So we can expose more. Wow, that's a big cluster.
I know.
Holy
We're
moly.
trying not to break it.
Let me get that once.
You guys are doing great.
Daddy.
Yeah, look.
Whoa, you that little thing.
Nice and gentle. Don't pull it, okay? 'Cause
You gotta keep digging.
you gotta dig.
Dig more?
Don't pull it, okay, baby?
If this
We've got more rain coming tomorrow,
just do this.
but Thanksgiving is right around the corner.
Yeah, so this
So we wanted to get these out. So we might be able to have a couple, but I don't know if it's gonna have enough time to cure.
is massive.
We got some big ones.
Did you put sand in here too?
Yeah.
I feel like
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, I feel like we're blocking the view.
No.
No?
Mm-mm. No, it's good.
Oh my god, look at that.
Wow.
You just don't know which way to go, huh?
We got potatoes everywhere.
Oh my god. Okay, this is like almost
Where do
there.
I cut that?
Like just leave a little bit of the stem on it.
Careful.
Uh-huh.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's nice.
Let
I'm
me
back.
see. Oh,
I'm back.
nice. Good job, Addie.
See, look at the color difference. So I think that's one of the other ones.
Just be gentle, okay? We don't.
I want to move this. Let's cut this.
You want to cut this one? Oh no!
You broke it. It's ruined. Just kidding.
Did you broke it to is that?
It's there.
Oh, Daddy, this one broke off. What? Wait, no.
Let's see.
Something broke off from right here.
Can we pull
It's
it
okay.
out? Oh, here. Show the camera. Show the camera.
Nice.
Look at that.
Are you gonna show it to my mom?
Yeah.
Yes. Why don't you go ahead and put it at the table? Look.
one.
Like,
Ew,
get
what is that?
What is what?
Ooh.
You can do the rest of that one.
Are you sure this one?
It just went. It was like a. I
and
think
the
it was a little
longest one
warm.
at the
A
same
worm?
Yeah, it went.
Ooh, I hope we have worms in here.
No, I hope we don't. I just saw it. It went
Okay,
like
don't
right back in.
Alright.
No, two.
Ew.
No, it's just like a little centipede thing.
No, two.
These are little.
Centipede? Well, I
Look
mean
at
centipede.
those.
Little boys.
Why is it
We'll put those on the
centipede?
table.
I think he's enjoying this. Okay, why don't we help you?
It looks
some
cool
dirt?
looking from the camera.
We gotta get some dirt.
It looks like I'm looking at a whole different
so
thing.
We just find all of them?
Yes, absolutely. Goes over there in the wheelbarrow. Okay.
Uh-oh. I pulled it out by accident.
I
I
found
know.
the world's smallest one.
Oh, poor thing. It wasn't even done yet.
We can put it back.
Yeah.
It'll probably just grow a whole new plant though.
Found one.
Daddy.
Oh, not bad.
Oh, look at that one, Christopher. Look at your cousins.
You gotta hold it in front of the camera. So they can see. No, down here. Like,
Down here.
There's also
Right
one in the
you see where the lens is?
Oh, right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put all of the dirt.
Whoa.
Look at all these by just doing this.
Just washing them.
By just brushing it. Yep.
You see that?
Like you're an archaeologist. Digging up dinosaur bones.
Yes. I love dinosaurs.
With a hint of
If
basil.
you-
Oh my goodness, there's so many.
They're so bright in the camera.
I found the only biggest one ever.
Oh, really?
Some little ones.
Yeah, the top one seems to have just little ones. Look at that.
I think this next time we're gonna plant them early on,
Cut it off.
Yeah.
Cut it off.
so they have a whole lot more time to
Wait, it's
grow.
connected to
Yeah, you see how I'm just. Oh my god, look at that one.
This
Addie.
is look getting my homework done. Jeez.
Yeah.
No.
Good.
Come over here. Let her work on that one.
Started producing little potatoes pretty quick too from the ones
Wow.
that we just harvested a couple months ago.
This one broke off by itself.
It's okay. Two little ones.
This one's connected.
I'm
Mine
so
is chocolate.
excited to cook these
Sweet
purple sweet potatoes.
No, I would hand it to you.
Me too.
What about the brown ones? Do we like separate the brown ones from the purple?
Yeah, we already did that.
And we're connected to this wall.
Oh.
Look how long that goes. That's,
Wow.
that's bright.
Yeah. It's like super purple. And
Then-
hot and humid. Whoa. I found one.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Mass.
That one's a big one. He is way down there too.
Mine too. You might need to cut this.
Do I cut right here, Dad?
Oh, Big Daddy.
You might need to cut
Yeah,
that
a little bit
one.
higher. A little bit higher.
I'll dig it out.
Yes.
Just learning.
Where are the scissors, Christopher? Right here, honey. Look. Yeah. Why don't you- no. And now? Okay. There we go.
Back.
One more.
Whoa.
Nice.
This one
You want to take it to the table?
Decent.
Now I'm going back up to my spot.
I still think the very first row produced the most
I think so too.
for whatever reason. Maybe because we planted it earlier, like
Maybe.
a month earlier, towards the summer or in the
And it
spring.
was hotter. Now it's, yeah.
We gotta start our slips. Of course, we have them growing everywhere, but we gotta. Yeah, I don't know. Those slips just keep on growing over by the house, so we might just be able to take some of those and throw them in here like around February.
I think so.
Yeah. You find another one back there?
They're going down.
Oh my gosh, you did. You found a whole bunch more back there.
Yeah,
How long
it
it
is.
is?
Nice. Wow, yeah, you can cut it. Yeah, these are roots, tubers.
What's inside of a purple
Swell up.
potato and a normal sweet potato?
What's inside of a sweet potato?
Yeah.
It's, I don't know how to describe that.
What color is it?
You never know. That's why I was saying we probably need to see, like your mom found one like growing right there at the edge.
So I didn't whip it?
Nope.
Is it
You
good?
did good. All of these are like definitely not as big as the
First one.
first ones.
Yeah, like mine. I found.
Big one.
There is. I put in.
I don't really need a body.
It's crazy. It's growing all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
To the bottom.
Oh, it's actually pretty big.
All the way down? That's massive.
It's like this is like where the wood is.
I wonder if the roots got attached to the,
Oh yeah, there's a potato down here.
There is?
Because whenever I pull it up, it's hard.
Oh, careful.
It's a root.
I don't.
I bet there's more down here.
Oh,
this
this
edge.
is long.
Oh, that's a nice one.
I can see that.
I wonder if at this point we can bring the shovel and help.
Yeah, that should be good.
You think so?
Yeah, we should bring the shovel already.
Oh.
I'm gonna punch it.
You're gonna punch. Don't do
Yeah.
that.
I'm gonna use the shovel.
So some of these got planted back in May.
May.
Yeah.
Jeez.
We should have planted them in February. That
February.
would have been February, March, April, May. It would have been 3 extra months of growth.
Wait, so May, June, July, August, September, October, November. That was 6 months ago.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they need like.
I was 9.
They need like 8 to 10. All your help.
I'm gonna put the stove.
This is everything we got. Compost.
There is more potato. You don't mind to.
Here's the potato hull. I'll have to weigh it later. It's not bad. Glove for scale. Some good medium size. So this is what we're doing this time for the curing process. Back in August, it was warm enough that we could just put these in plastic bags on the back patio, and it was hot enough and humid enough to just cure them outside. Well, now it's a little bit cooler. It was in the low 40s last night, so we just got a heating pad underneath, some towels, and a Tupperware. You can see it's getting pretty humid in there. Luckily, we were able to fit them all. Probably could use a bigger container. Hopefully next harvest we will need one. Definitely gonna start our potatoes a little earlier, but see, we got a bunch of them. A bunch of slips we can pull from at any time, still growing over there. The garden is a little wimpy right now. Still got some bell peppers. So, first season of sweet potatoes, not that bad. Definitely gonna start earlier.
We have 2 left.
Now I kind of want 2 beds of sweet potatoes.
We have 2 sweet potatoes.
Catch y'all next time.